So today I'm here to talk about how to make money, like kind of quick money, not like okay, sorry. So how to make quick money. So a lot of people trivialize certain businesses in Ghana right now, something like selling of phones. A lot of people do not see that selling of phones is a high income service, that a lot of people do buy these phones on a regular basis. A lot of people are ready to spend money to buy phones. So I don't know, if you really want to make money in 2024, I think you should venture into selling phones. I think you should investigate into the type of phones that are in demand as of now, because I personally see that there is a sale traffic or there's a traffic on the iPhone products instead of the Samsung product, because based on some experience of Ghanaians, the screen prices of Samsung and stuff, but then it's preference. So I believe that if you study the market well, you will know the type of phones that are moving in the market, and then you sell it, because phones are very lucrative this season. If you are selling phone, I believe you are going to earn some specific amount of income on a daily basis. If not daily basis, it can be weekly or monthly basis. So if you want to make quick money, you can venture into selling of phones and electronic gadgets. Let me not limit it to only phones, but then electronic gadgets like speakers, like TVs, like microwaves and all that too. You can add all that to the stuff, PS5 games and all that. If you want to make money in 2024, I believe that if you sell phones and these electronic gadgets, you are going to earn quick money, because they come with a little bit of commissions. And then so the only problem that you might face is that if you don't get a good wholesale price, that is when maybe you might not earn a lot of profit. But then if you are able to get, if you're a retailer and you want to retail the phones or the products that you want to sell, and then you get a good wholesale price and you're able to retail it with your profit or your commissions on them, that means that you're going to earn quick money. And so if you want to make quick money, look for a good wholesale personnel or somebody who has a wholesale and sells these phones, these products, and then advertise them, get your buyers, buy it and get your commissions. This is a fast way to get money in Ghana right now. It's a fast way to get money in Ghana. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I hope it helped you and you are going to start selling right now.